Okay, hi everyone. So I just got access to a SmartRecruiters system and I wanted to just share my thoughts. So one of the big things is I'm logged in as a recruiter. I'm not looking at this from the point of view of an employee applying for a job. I could do a different video on that, but I'm logged in as a recruiter working for a company that has to go through and hire people and go through that process. And so from the beginning, I'm at this home page. And it looks like there's tasks that you have, and you can see various activities and things like that. And so you can create a task and have people responsible, like, hey, I need to schedule interviews or send a message, or I need to submit feedback for an interview, enter details about that, have a due date, and then it'll show up over here on my home page. But I think the more relevant part is this at a glance, right? And so these are the jobs I'm actively, as a recruiter, recruiting for, the candidates I have, any new candidates, anything I have to approve, as well as upcoming interviews. So from a recruiter standpoint, I think it does give you the information that you need at the beginning. So that's kind of the first part. Then, being a recruiter, I think the first thing I'll do is go into my jobs. And so now, taking a look at this, you can see there's 10 total, but it looks like one of them is filled over there. So 9 that are active over here. I have a search if I'm looking for something specific. And then, of course, I can filter as well. So I can go into this, click, and filter. And then it does give me a nice view of, hey, where are different candidates in the pipeline of these jobs. So if I go into one, SAP AI analyst, for example, then this is kind of the view of this particular job. And it shows me the applicants, so I can see exactly who I have over here. It looks like there's a filter in place specifically for these statuses here. I can do other filters, which is nice. And then I get more context on the job. So actually, I think this is pretty nice for you looking at a job as a recruiter. Say, okay, where are we getting these applicants from? Is it from things that we're doing that are like paid ads in other places? Is it referrals from people? Where are these people that are applying for this job total coming from? And then it's also nice to kind of see, okay, how much have we interviewed? As well as like things like the activity, right? And so who's been doing what on this job? So I can, be a recruiter, come in here and kind of look at things. If you had any of these job ads, you can actually go and click it and see the screening questions. You can see the hiring process here, who the hiring manager is, the interview scorecards if you have it, as well as any interviews scheduled. So just from my point of view, I think this does give you a good at a glance overview. And then if I want to click into someone, I can actually click into them and see them. So this is my candidate profile looking at this job. So I actually think this is pretty nice. You get an overview of this person. It looks like there's some AI capabilities here to match them as well. It gives a good view of the profile, which is broken up into a resume format. And if you had a resume attached here, you could look at that as well. I see the applicant profile, and I can see which jobs that they applied to. Application fields, so I can click in and see some of the fields of that as well. Attachments, tags, things like that. You can manage the communication from here as well. So if you're sending emails, scheduling interviews, entering any notes internally, or screening. So there's a number of ways for you to track everything going on for this employee. And so it just makes it nice to kind of go and take a look at this. And I can quickly switch to other applicants I have up here as well. And so if I go to my next candidate, has the email address and other key information that I kind of looked at over here. So I'm able to see that stuff. It looks pretty good. So as a recruiter, I like the dashboard so far. I think it gives me some good information. But if I'm trying to source people for jobs, looks like I also have this people tab up here at the top as well, right? And so now if I look at this, I think this is a nice filter. It gets me right to what I want to look for. So if I'm looking for candidates specifically in San Francisco for something, or I'm sourcing something, I'm able to kind of look at this. I can search for people with their email address. I can look at titles or job application status. I'm able to find people from things where they came from in terms of like a source, where they paid, where they're organic, where they came from. And then of course I can click into the different people as well. It looks like we also have some level of the AI matching here as well. So I can click in and now look at this candidate's profile. And this also tells me, hey, these are the jobs that this person has. The AI here actually shows the candidate ranks high compared to others for this customer service representative job. And then it looks like it has some more details here as well. And so it looks like transferable skills would be pretty good ones. It actually inferred that problem solving, communication, verbal, prioritization, so the ones that we have on here, looks like it matched this well. Work experience, education was good. Skills is where it was kind of medium. So this is where the AI is coming in to help you with these things and kind of giving a report of this as well. So I think this is a pretty good dashboard. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with this. And then the last thing I'll take a look at is analytics. So it looks like there's some built-in analytics to SmartRecruiters as well. So if I look at this as a recruiter responsible for things, I would probably want to know for all the various jobs we have, where are applicants coming in from? Are they coming in from paid? Should we invest more money in here? Are they coming in from a CRM? Do we have a good referral program where people are referring stuff, or should we work on shoring that up? So I think this gives a nice little overview of that. You can actually look at it by dates and add filters just like other things. Then if I look at these built-in dashboards, I think this is a pretty nice one. It actually shows my hiring success and gives me a velocity score and a net hiring score. And I think the big things here, it shows, hey, here's your positions, here's your hires, were they actually filled on time, were they filled late? And then you can even see some information about if you sent some surveys and things like that. You can look at the different date windows if you want to see if you're improving from a recruiting standpoint. And then if I come take a look at the hiring plan, I'm able to actually see this, the number of positions filled on time, and kind of get an idea of that. Candidate pipeline. So I think this is an important thing as a recruiter. Are we getting a good pipeline of people applying for jobs, right? And you can actually take a look within a time window and say, okay, how many applications have we got? What's our processing time? How many internal applicants have we got? How many referrals have we got? And you can kind of see the conversion rates of these metrics over time. I mean, from my point of view, I think this is exactly what a recruiter would want to see. And so I see why people like this. Then if I look at hires, I can actually see, internal and referral hires, hiring source types. I think this is a nice one. Is it coming from LinkedIn or our Smart CRM or, Google, or directly from our websites and things like that? From an interview standpoint, right? So clicking this hey, how many interviews have we done? Average interviewers per interview, and just get metrics on some of these things. So overall, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. Search bar similar to SuccessFactors where you can directly search for people or things like that. The other thing I haven't talked about yet is you also have Winston here at the bottom right, which can do things. So if you have any upcoming interviews, you can ask about that. Viewing top candidates for jobs, things like that. I know one of the ones when I was playing around with it was, hey, how many candidates have applied for the SAP AI analyst job, for example? And just ask questions around that. And so now it actually pulls that back, shows I have 7 candidates there as well. So I think this will improve over time. It's an AI to help a recruiter do their job a little easier. Some people will want to work with this more than others. And then the rest of it, I think, looks pretty straightforward. All right, thanks for listening. Overall, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with SmartRecruiters. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this integration it works with SuccessFactors and get into more of those. I'll do another video on the candidate experience as well. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Thanks.